One app that I use all the time is the dropshipping app Redbubble. It is so easy to create new designs and upload to Redbubble and start selling products. And why is this such a great app for your business? Well, I'll tell you why. And I'll reveal the top selling product on Redbubble right now. Reason number one is that you only need Redbubble. You don't need both Printify and Etsy to get up and running with your web shop. You just need the Redbubble platform. Because in Redbubble you can do all of it. You can set up your web shop storefront, you know, with your profile picture, your banner, a description about your business. And you can select the products that you think your audience will like. And then you just create designs in Canva and upload them to those products. And voila, you can sell them. Reason number two is that Redbubble will take care of everything for you. You don't have to market your products. Redbubble will display your products in front of their audience should they find it suitable. You should of course point your audience to your products also. But if you don't, you can still make sales in Redbubble. Just as long as you tag your products with accurate keywords for Redbubble to show them to their audience. Reason number three is that you can get quick sales so fast with Redbubble. I mean, within hours of uploading my first design, I made my first sale. And I'm not an artist, and you don't have to be either. And as you progress on the platform with your designs and your products, the more products you have on your web shop, the more sales you will make. Important tip though, here is the top selling product type or product category of Redbubble. Listen carefully. So stickers are one of the best-selling products in Redbubble, so when you upload a design, make sure to make a separate file where you put your design several times in one page. Then you upload that as a separate sticker file. That means that you are selling a sticker pack. Instead of just one sticker for your audience, you're selling maybe 5 in one purchase. And that is the top-selling product category. Oh, a big warning about Redbubble, you have to be careful not to create anything that has violence, sexual, or is copying other brands. But I'm sure you can stay away from that. Otherwise, you'll be cut off from the platform. So once someone buys a product, you get an email saying that there is a purchase going on. And once the product is printed and sent to the customer, you don't have to do anything. You get a notification that commission is on its way. Easy as pie. So how great is that? Smash a like if this is giving you value. Much appreciated. Thank you. Next, watch this video.